insane, but you're making it over.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today I am going to show you guys a very simple beginner friendly makeup look, especially a traditional ethnic kind of a makeup look where you don't have to do a full glam face. It's a very simple look, minimal makeup products that you already have, and you can absolutely rock this particular look no matter how beginner you are. So I am really excited for this video. By the way, my hair is wet a little bit because I am actually testing out a new hair serum. I have to film after this, so that's the reason. Anyways guys, I am going to show you guys this makeup look, and yeah, let's get into this video. So today my skin is a little bit dry, so that's the reason I'm gonna go with a hydrating primer. This is the serum that I am going to use. This one is from Wet n Wild, and this one is their Prime Focus Hydrating Primer Plus Serum. This particular product smells strong, but not in a bad way. Just going to use some Fix Plus just to hydrate my face a little bit more. I'm just going to let this sit for a minute or so, and then I am going to start my makeup. Okay, so for my foundation, I am going to use this particular Wet n Wild foundation. If you are a beginner, you're going to love this particular product. It's a beautiful medium coverage foundation because I am not a full coverage person, you guys know that. So a foundation like this, which will give me a normal to medium coverage, is good enough, especially for summers. If you don't want to use a foundation, you just skip that step. You can go with your BB cream or your CC cream or even your concealer. Primer is actually helping me with the glow, but the foundation itself is very radiant and very beautiful, and it's giving me kind of a skin-like texture, which I personally love. Next step, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now this is a very beginner friendly concealer, so I am definitely going to recommend this particular product. Are new into all this and you want to purchase a concealer, definitely recommended this particular one. Also the Wet n Wild one is also good. I'm going to use the concealer entirely. I am just going to focus where my darker side is, just like this. Is like concealing plus highlighting as well. Also, if you have a lot of darkness right over here, like see, you can also use the concealer over here as well. My nose and also on my chin. So I'm going to use a round brush and I am going to blend out my concealer. Take my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder. So the Rimmel London one is also one of my favorite. You can go for that particular setting powder. It's very cheap as well. Also Mist Clear setting powder is really good, so go for any one. So I'm going to take my powder and I am going to set my concealer. Here comes a very simple eye look. Now if you are a beginner, I know the struggle is real. Whenever you are going to do eyeshadow tutorial, or whenever you are trying to do something with your eyes, even eye makeup, like even a simple eye makeup, and you are very clueless what you are supposed to do. So I think this eye makeup look will actually help you. So I'm going to take this particular palette from Swiss Beauty, a really beautiful palette. You have shimmer shades, you have your everyday shades, also you have some beautiful colors as well, like the pink and some blue, not blue, some purple, some yellow, red. I'm going to take this particular brown shade right over here, right where my eye socket is. Like, look down and just look straight actually and see where your eye socket is. Place your eyeshadow right over there. What you can do, if you don't want to do something extra, you can go with this eyeshadow look. You can add some liner and you're good to go. But if you want something extra, if you want to do something a little bit more, a light brown shade. Now see, this shade is a little bit darker. So what you can do, you can take a brush like this. You can take the darker shade and right over here, like your outer corner, you can place the eyeshadow and just blend it out with your transition shade. This will emphasize your eyes even more, and this will also give you a little bit of smokiness as well. Now don't go for a black eyeshadow if you have hooded eyes, or if you have small eyes, don't use a darker shade. So the next step that I will do, I will take this white shade. Now if you don't have this white, this is not a white shade, it's kind of off-white shade. So if you don't have this shade in your eyeshadow palette, you can definitely go for any lighter color, like the lightest color in your eyeshadow palette, and just use it right over here. The trick is, whenever you are blending your eyeshadow and if you mess up, like blending over here and you just messed up a little bit right over here, or you can just see a darkness right over here, what you can do, you can take your lighter shade and just use it right over here. Enhance your eyes even more, and this will also give you a cleaner look as well. I am going to use a kajal. You can absolutely go with the eyeliner, but for today's look I think I'm gonna go with a kajal, and this is my absolute favorite kajal. And you guys may know this House of Makeup kajal is my absolute favorite. So I'm just going to use this particular kajal. Now if you're a beginner, using an eyeliner can be a little bit tough. You can definitely go with a kajal. That's what I am doing. A kajal, you have your full control, so you can do a very thin line or you can go with a thick line as well, according to your personal preference, but I will go with this particular shape. Finish look, I know I used eyelash. Don't just comment here that oh my god, this is a beginner's tutorial and you're using eyelash. Beginners can hardly use eyelashes. I know that eyelash because I don't have, I mentioned this before, I don't have that much eyelash. I don't love how my eyes look whenever I use my mascara because I don't have that much eyelash. Now for my bronzer, I am going to use my LA Colors bronzer. I think I personally, you guys have seen me, I love this particular bronzer. I don't know why. I am going to use this particular bronzer right over here, following my natural line that I have. Just look straight and you will see, like, I don't have a very structured face. My face is very round and gol matol. So what I do, I look straight and I can see a natural line right over here. So I just love bronzing it like this. Also, like, you can also just press your brush like this, take your bronzer and use it right over here just to have a nose contour. If you are a beginner and you don't just know how to do a nose contour, you can go with this step. Blush, I am going to go with my Makeup Revolution blush, a very beautiful pinkish kind of a blush. You can go for the Sugar Cosmetics blush, you can go for this blush as well. A little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. This one is from PAC Cosmetics and this one is the No Worries mascara, my absolute favorite. For my highlighter, I am going to use my Sugar highlighter and this is in the shade Champagne Champion. Such a beautiful, pretty highlighter. You can absolutely go for this particular product. And for the last step, I'm going to use my Chambor lipstick. You can go with any pretty nude shade that you have. I just love this particular color and also this lipstick because this gives my lip a beautiful like plumping effect as well, and it smells so beautiful as well. This is what my makeup look is looking right now, and I'm really happy how beautiful this turned out and how easy this look is. I hope you guys really loved and find this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section below what video you want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.